Yes. Yes. Whoa. Yes, honey, what's up? Are you trying to scare the birds away?
I can't hear you. Can you repeat that, please?
Trying to scare the birds away? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. What's up? What's that? What's that? What? Oh yeah. Yes, monkey. What are we talking about? Naughty little birds. And the hawk before, wasn't it? You're arguing with them, aren't you? Good boy. Very good for arguing. And screaming outside, that's very good. Leave the harness. Makes Daddy very happy. Yes? Makes Daddy very happy when you scream outside. Meow. Yes, what are you trying to say there? What are you trying to say there?
Did he just say fuck off?
What are you trying to say there? Huh? What is it there? I know. Naughty little birdies, aren't they?